Discussing about this problem, preparation of fund flow statement, where we prepared the working capital and we prepared the fund from operation. We just started, I think so. Okay, so we prepared the working capital statement of changes in working capital and found out answer as 7,000. 7,000 as increase in working capital. Yeah, 47,000 actually it comes. 7,000 as increase in working capital. Okay. So moving to the fund from operations. Okay, so here they have given the detail profit and loss account detail. If given in the balance sheet means you have to prepare adjusted P&L account only. So this is the opening balance and closing balance. All those things we have finished that opening balance and closing balance. Opening balance will come under the credit side of your adjusted P&L account, and the closing balance will appear on the debit side of the adjusted P&L account. So just leave some space and you write your closing balance. Give some space and just write your closing balance. And then you just find out what all the items will come under the debit side or credit side. So if you see on the debit side, so on the debit side, if you see, usually your depreciation, it will appear on the debit side. And if there is some interim dividend paid, then it will come both in fund from operations as well as fund flow statement. Interim dividend paid. Okay. And then if there is any transfer to general reserve, here it will come. And if there is goodwill written off, that will also come under the debit side of the adjusted P&L account. So if you see all those things we have done, goodwill, it is actually no return of same amount. So you can skip that. General reserve, we transfer this difference amount 4,000, and then depreciation, which will be provided in the additional information actually. So this amount also I have taken. So next thing is that interim dividend paid, it will come under two places. So next is your provision for tax. Okay. So generally provision for tax, no, if some additional information is given like this, you have to prepare provision for taxation account. Okay. So this will be your opening balance and this will be your closing balance. So you have to prepare a account for provision for taxation. So now let us prepare that account. You just leave this adjusted P&L account in pending. Okay, we can prepare a provision for taxation account and then we can come to adjusted P&L account and close that account. Okay, so simultaneously we can open. So provision for taxation, same format only. Whatever you are preparing, that same debit and credit, that same format, ledger accounts format only you will be following here also. Okay. So if you are doing it in the next page, no, kindly see that you are writing as per the format: debit side, credit side, right hand side credit, left hand side debit. All those things you have to adapt. Okay. So adjusted P&L account, you just leave some space. I have not yet closed this one. I have opened a provision for taxation account. Okay. So in this provision for taxation account, this is the credit side and this is the debit side. Okay. So if you see provision for taxation, opening balance is 16,000 and closing balance is 18,000. So this opening balance will come under the credit side by balance brought down. Opening balance means brought down, closing balance means carried down. Okay. So provision for taxation 16,000, 18,000. 16,000 and your closing balance will be balance carry down 18,000. Okay, so now usually in your question, listen carefully. Usually in question, they will give some additional information about provision for taxation. If nothing is given means nothing is given, then you find out the difference amount and just put it on the debit side of your adjusted P&L account. How for other things you will do for general reserve goodwill, same thing you find out difference and put it under the debit side of your adjusted P&L account. If suppose it has been mentioned under current liabilities heading is there. Under that, if you come across a provision for tax, then you treat it as current liability, or else you consider it as a non-current liability and take it to adjusted P&L account. Okay, so provision for taxation, what you have to do, if they give under current liability means treat it as current liability and take it to the first step. First step is schedule of changes in working capital. If suppose if they didn't mention current liability like this, I have just listed down means you better take it to the adjusted P&L account or statement method, whatever you are following for calculating funds from operations. Okay, so if additional information is given to you about provision for taxation, you have to prepare a separate account. So you should prepare in this format, provision for taxation, where opening balance will be available in the balance sheet liability side. So opening balance and closing balance this side. Okay, now here one more thing will come to tax paid. To tax paid, and this side one more item will come, that is known as by profit and loss account. By profit and loss account. Okay, bracket provisions made. Okay, so this is the format for preparing the provision for taxation account. Format for preparing provision for taxation account. Provision for taxation account, opening balance will be entered on the credit side, closing balance on the debit side. These two information will be available under the question balance sheet liability side. Okay, these two items, no, in this one of the item will be given in the additional information. Either this one or this one they will give in the additional information in question. One of the information is given to you, or amount if they are giving to you means other amount will be considered as the balancing figure. Okay, it depends upon the question. Okay, so if you see in this question, provision for taxation of 19,000 rupees was made during the year 2014. Okay, so they have created 19,000 opening balance, closing balance, and then they have created 19,000 for that year. So this 19,000 where I have to take means here only I have to take a 19,000. I have to take because it was the provision for taxation created for that year. So provision made by profit and loss account 19,000. Okay. Now you balance the account. Find out this side how much you are getting total this side. So this side 18,000, this side 16 plus 19, 35,000. So now which amount is higher means 35,000 amount is higher. Usually how you close the account, balance the account. In that same format only you have to again balance the account. Okay, so if you see this side is higher, so 35,000 you have to enter, and this side also 35,000 you have to enter. Now from 35,000 you subtract 18,000 and find out how much amount you are getting. So that amount will be 17,000. So this is known as tax paid. Okay. So usually understand well. See here in question, no provision for taxation they will be giving to you balance sheet liability side. It will appear current liabilities heading if they mention and give means treat it as current liability and take it to first step. or else better take it as a non-current liability. And one more thing, you have to prepare a separate account at what circumstances means whenever additional information is given to you about year, either provision for taxation made during the year they will be giving, or provision for tax paid during the year they will give. Okay, either one of the information will be given in the additional information. Okay, either created, made during the year means created during the year. Okay, either provision for taxation made during the year or tax paid during the year. So like this, any one of the information will be given to you. So you have to prepare in this account format. So how usually you have a debit side, credit side, particulars, amount, everything. If you go for a separate page, no, better to write all these format, amount, rupees, everything you have to write. Okay, opening balance credit side, closing balance debit side, and then you have to give debit side tax paid and credit side provisions if any made, created. Okay, so here, yeah, as I said earlier, either this information amount will be given to you or this amount will be given to you. So other amount you can easily calculate. One information is given, other amount easily you can calculate. So in this question, they have given made during the year. So because made during the year they have given, so this amount has been given to you. Certain question, no, they will give you the tax paid amount. Tax paid. A tax was paid, rupees, this much of amount they will give you. So you can easily find out how much they have created provision. You can find out that one. In this question, they have given this one. So what I did, usually how I will balance my account in that same manner. I have balanced my account and found out the balancing figure. So this is the balancing figure here. Okay, so this is my balancing figure for the provision for taxation. So this is tax paid. You can even bracket mention as balancing figure. So any of the information you have to calculate. One they will give, either this one if they give, you have to calculate this one, or this one if they give, you have to calculate this one, tax paid. Okay, so now if you see, no, this tax paid amount or whatever year, it will be brought to fund flow statement. Okay, so whatever payments, as you know already, applications of funds are there, no, in fund flow statement. While preparing that, there you have to take it this tax paid amount 17,000, and whatever year, no, year provision we have made, no, that will be taken to the adjusted PNL account. So provision made during the year, this amount will be taken to adjusted PNL. So now we are doing, no, that adjusted PNL account, this 19,000 will be brought, whereas this tax paid amount, no, that it will be taken to the fund flow statement. Applications of funds, under that we have to mention. Okay, now let us take this amount 19,000. So what I have to mention means to provision for taxation. To provision for taxation. For taxation, amount is 19,000. Okay, just mention that amount. Okay, so now if you see any other items has been skipped out, you just look after. So adjusted PNL account, why we are preparing means to calculate funds from operations. Under that, goodwill, if there is any written off means you will take up. General reserve transfer, if it is there means you will be taking that. Provision for taxation made during the year, this amount you will take up. Okay, and then depreciation, if any is there, you will be taking that on debit side. And then what else means profit and loss account, opening and closing balance. So for that purpose only I said, you leave some space here and just mention your closing balance after that. Okay, so you will get an idea how much space is required based upon the items here. So based upon that, you leave some space and you have to mention the closing balance. This amount will appear in the balance sheet. Question balance sheet, it will appear. This amount and this amount, it will appear in the balance sheet. All the other items, this will also be appearing in the balance sheet question. this will be appearing in the additional information, this also additional information. Okay, so now we can close balance the account. Just total this side and total this side as usual and find out how much amount you are getting. 4,000 plus 8 plus 8,000 plus 19,000 plus 3,000, how much you are getting, you find out. So this side only obviously it will be higher compared to this amount. Okay, so that total amount you write on both the sides and you just find out how much you are getting as balancing figure now. Find out how much you are getting this total. 4 plus 8, 12, 12 plus 8, 20, 20 plus 19, 39, 39 plus 3, 42 I am getting. So how much difference you are getting? Find out. Find out how much amount you are getting. 42,000. From that, if you subtract 6,000, you will be getting 36,000. So this amount is known as what? By funds from operations. Okay, if suppose if you are getting on the debit side means fund lost in operations. If you are getting on this side, no, by funds from operations. By funds from operations, this will be your balancing figure. This is your answer till now. You can highlight the answers. Okay, so like this only you have to prepare the adjusted P&L account. So adjusted P&L account or statement method as per the question only you will be following. Net profit given means statement method. Profit and loss account balance sheet if it is appearing means opening and closing balance you will be preparing adjusted P&L. And all the other items you have to take care of which one to enter on the debit side, credit side. Loss on sale of asset. Profit on sale of asset means this side, loss on sale of asset means this side it will come. Other than that, interim dividend paid. Interim dividend if they give only it will come here. Okay. Provision for taxation made during the year. Provision if you create means that amount will come here. Tax paid you should not take here. Okay. So tax paid it will come only in the fund flow statement. So this is the thing. Okay. For preparing your adjusted P&L account and calculating your funds from operation. Now this amount only we have to take it to the sources. Okay, so fund flow statement under that sources of funds is there. No, sources means inflow. So in that sources only this funds from operations you have to take. Okay, so we have to move to the next one, that is preparation of fund flow statement, the last step. So first step is statement of changes in working capital that we did. Next is your calculating funds from operations by preparing adjusted P&L account that we did. So the next last step is your fund flow statement. But before preparing this one, no, you have to prepare again certain accounts. Certain working notes you have to do. So those are known as working notes. So that those working notes you have to do. Why you have to do means because you have purchased a machinery or purchased a plant or sold out a building or sold out plant you have to identify. Okay, because on going through all the fixed assets will appear in the fund flow statement, the last step. Third step only all the fixed assets will appear. So if you see plant, building, all these are fixed assets. Or other than that, all current assets already we have taken to the first step. Okay, so this fixed asset, either we have purchased or sold, we can directly see here. But whenever depreciation, some additional information is given here, you have to prepare the concerned asset account. If they don't give you, if they are not giving you this information, no, you can very well see and find out either they have purchased or sold out. If increase means purchase, if decrease means they have sold out. You have to find from that. But whenever additional information regarding depreciation is given, you have to prepare separate account. Okay, plant account you have to prepare, building account you have to prepare, and find out whether they have made purchase or they have sold out. You have to find from that. Okay, so before preparing the last final step fund flow statement, you have to prepare the necessary accounts as working notes. Then only you can find out whether they have, whether we have purchased or sold. Now let us first prepare. After the provision, all these are working notes only. Provision for taxation, everything are working notes. You can even mention working note 1, working note 2, like that also you can mention. Okay, only they are requiring you to prepare three things. Okay, as you know the steps to prepare fund flow statement, only three steps. But all these are working notes which you require in order to enter amount here and all. Okay, so now we are going to prepare plant account. So enter it as plant account. All thing same format only. If you are moving to the next page, no, kindly write left hand side debit side and right hand side credit side. Apart from that, particulars, amount column, amount inner column, outer column, all those things you mention. If you are moving to the next page, okay. So defaultly you have you have to write, no other go. Okay, so now let us move to the preparation of plant accounts. Similarly, we will be preparing even building account. First, let us prepare plant account. So plant, first you have to go to the opening balance and closing balance. Plant, if you see, 31/12/2013 is known as opening balance and 2014 is the closing balance. So 37,000 is opening balance, 36,000 is closing balance. So this will, you will be taking on the debit and credit side. And one more thing, if you are getting assets means your opening balance will come on debit side and closing balance will come on the credit side. Okay, so if you are getting a fixed asset, you want to prepare a fixed asset account, either it can be plant, machinery or furniture or building, whatever might be. So any type of fixed asset, if you are going to open a fixed asset, then opening balance will always appear on debit side and closing balance on the credit side. This is just a reverse of your liability. Liability means opening balance on credit, closing balance on debit, just opposite of that. So asset, if you see, opening balance on debit side only it will come. So to balance brought down, opening balance means balance brought down, you have to write. Closing balance means balance carried on. So again, just give some space. Okay, so give some space and then you can, not more space is required, you provide less space, that's enough. Okay, so to balance brought on, this will be your opening and this will be your closing. Now go to the question. Find out how much is opening balance. Plant 37,000, 36,000. Okay, so 37,000, 37, and your closing balance will be 36,000. Okay, after this, just go to the question. This depreciation is there, no? Depreciation charged on plant was rupees 4,000. So this amount, no, you have to enter on the debit side of your, credit side of your plant account. Okay, so whenever you are starting your business, no, that opening balance will appear on the debit side and closing balance on the credit side. Apart from that, if you are going to provide depreciation means that will also appear on the credit side. Depreciation. Okay, 4,000 amount just mention here. Okay, next, one more thing. If you are going to sell any plant means that will also appear on the credit side only. Okay, so if you are opening a fixed asset, any type of asset, furniture, building, or plant, machinery, anything, opening balance on debit side, closing balance on credit side, depreciation, anything if you are charging means on credit side, and then if you are going to sell any machinery, sell that machinery, okay, then that one also will come under the credit side only. By bank you will be using. Okay, so through check like that, it is an assumption. So by bank, okay, if you are selling something, say if you are selling means it will your cash is cash or cash formula irukakuriya check, it is coming into the business, right? So you will be taking it on the credit side. Okay, by bank you will be mentioning and you will be putting here the amount. Okay, but in this problem you don't have anything like that. They are not selling out, they are just providing depreciation alone. Okay, so depreciation alone you have to show on the credit side. If suppose they are selling means you have to show here. If they are buying means you have to show on the debit side. Okay, now now what you have to do, no, you have to balance this account. So you have to find out this is the utmost item that will come under plant account. No, not any other item. If they have bought something, here it will come. If they have sold something, here it will come. So nothing has been mentioned. Only depreciation we are providing. That only in question it appears. So you have to balance this account. 4,000 plus 36, 40,000 coming this side. This side if you see 37,000 only coming. So which amount is higher means 40,000 only higher. So you have to write on both the side commonly 40,000 to both the sides. Okay, so just mention 40,000 here and here also 40,000. Okay, now the balance, how much amount is there? 3,000 is there. So now this amount is known as what means this is the balancing figure. This you have to mention as bank account. Why bank account means if you are preparing some plant or fixed asset account, anything if you have some extra amount as the balancing figure, this side if you get means then they have purchased. Okay, so they have purchased, but whenever you are getting on this side means you have sold out in artham. Okay, so if you are getting this side as your balancing figure, then it is known as purchase. They are purchased for 3,000. If you are getting this side as your balancing figure, if you are going to get means that is known as say, they are so they have sold out in artham. Okay, so they have sold out the particular machinery or plant. So this will be your purchase of plant. Now, why we have prepared this account means in normal usual sense, if you see compare, you can just find out whether they are purchased or sold. So if you see means 37,000, 36,000, it has happened. Just by looking at what you will tell 1,000 rupees, they have sold out. Okay, because it has got reduced. So they have sold out for 1,000 rupees. But that is wrong. Sold out. So you will be showing in sources of funds, fund flow statement. But that is wrong actually. You have to prepare the plant account and you have to put the opening balance this side and closing balance this side. Whenever you are getting depreciation in your question, you have to prepare this account and find out either they have purchased or sold out. If you see depreciation, they have given you 4,000. Okay, so that amount has been mentioned and you have found out the plant account purchase as 3,000 rupees. So this is known as purchase of plant. This amount we will be showing uh, under the fund flow statement under application of funds, purchase of plant 3,000. Okay, so like also because depreciation is given, you have to prepare that and you have to find out how much amount you are getting, either purchase or sale, or if it is getting tallied means both the side. If nothing is there, tallied means no purchase no sale has been done, it is getting tallied. That's it. Okay, everything, whatever they have provided depreciation, nothing is there. Only if you get a balancing figure like this, no, this is known as purchase, and this side if you get means, then it is known as sale. So just find out how much you are getting actually.